How to change call screen animation on iPhone in iOS 17. So let's get started. First thing first, open your contacts in your iPhone device. Now inside the contacts, look for the any person or any number you want to change the screen into animation to. After you look for it, simply tap on the option. Now once you're inside the call settings, all you have to do is tap on the edit option available in the top right corner. Now after you tap on the edit, you'll get to see the add photo option available there. Tap on the add photo now. Now inside add photo, you will get to see various amounts of animations options available there. If you want to create an memoji for the person, then you can simply tap on the memoji, or you can also add the photo of the person for your call screen. But here we are simply using the animation, so I'm going for the memoji option. After you tap on the memoji, you can see some animated face option available on your iPhone. Now all you have to do is, if you want to recreate the whole face, then you can tap on the recreation emoji available on the bottom, and you can recreate the face of the person according to that person face. You can choose the eye color, you can choose the makeup, you can choose the hair and everything, and you can convert this animated emoji into the real person. And simply after you are done, tap on the done option available in the top right corner. So here I have done this. Now you can also change the name icon of the person according to your preferences. Here I am changing the font size and the color for better animation. And after you are done, again tap on the done option available in the top right corner. You can also choose any selfie. You will get to see a list of options available there. You can choose any according to your preferences and tap on the done. After that, you can see the animated call screen on your mobile. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.